How to automatically transform your basic CV into ATS-friendly. On browser, type manus.imi website. Upload your CV and type the prompt seen in the video. Your CV will be automatically transformed into ATS-friendly. Follow along the step-by-step tutorial and we create a basic CV to a portfolio website. This CV transformation doubled my interview calls, the one change that got recruiters to notice my application. Watch how I went from ignored to interviewed. Before, basic CV lost in ATS systems. After, professional website that got me noticed. This CV transformation doubled my interview calls. Before, basic CV that got lost in ATS systems. After, professional website plus optimized LinkedIn profile. I'm sharing my exact process for converting CV content to website format, creating responsive design for all devices, optimizing for recruiters and search engines, building a cohesive professional brand. As an IT professional, this complete transformation helped me stand out in a competitive field. Watch now how we will convert the created CV into a portfolio website. Our website is ready. You can share it on your LinkedIn profile or to your social media profiles. Drop a comment if you want more career development content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video.